Available now at the Moorhead-Outlet store. We are demonstrating a 2003 Case IH RBX562 in very good condition. Let's take a closer look on the features on this round baler. This RBX562 features endless belts and a kicker, along with a hydraulic pickup and 1000 PTO. Thank you for viewing this Case IH RBX562. If you're interested in this round baler and would like to contact our sales team, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online at TitanOutletStore.com.